Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we are going to see the numerical based on multiplexers. Let's discuss the numerical. So your question is, implement the following function using 8:1 mux, and your given expression is f of a b c d equals to product of max terms 2 3 6 7 8 11 plus don't care terms are there 13 and 14. Now how to solve the problem containing the don't care terms and max terms? So the first logic is here, what you have to apply logic 1 to don't care terms, means assume logic 1 for don't care terms. Assume logic 1, then you have to keep max terms as it is in the table and you have to circle the remaining min terms. So here 11 13 and 14 are present, so 16:1 mux is the normally we are going to use mux, but the requirement here is the 8:1 mux, so we are going to convert it into 8:1 mux. So for that logical table is required, so we will draw logical table. In that we will draw here I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. After that you have to make here A bar and A. This is the logic we are going to apply over here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 you have to write. After that 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and up to 15 you have to complete your table. Now you have to focus on don't care conditions and max terms. So you have to keep max terms as it is and circle the min terms. So you have to focus on 2. So circle 0, 1, 2 as it is, 3 as it is, 4, 5, 6 as it is, 7 as it is, 8 as it is, 9, 10, you can keep 11 as it is. Then make a circle. 13, 14 you have to assume logic 1 because they are don't care terms. And here 14 also you have to take, and 15 is also not present over the max terms. So remaining terms all you have to make circle. Now you have to calculate the logic over here. Here 0 is there, means A bar. 1 and 9 both circles logic 1. Here A, 0. Both circles means logic 1. Again both circles means logic 1. After that 14 corresponds to only A and 15 corresponds to A. So here now with the use of 8:1 mux you have to design the circuit and you have to realize the expression. So we will draw here 8:1 mux. So this gives I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. After that you have to apply the select inputs as B, C and D, and you have to show your output Y, which is nothing but f of A, B, C, D for given expression, and here f of b c d only. So the name is 8:1 mux. Now you have to draw a line, after that line for a bar, then this is the logical line corresponds to logic 1. After that this line corresponds to logic 0. This line is for logic 1. Now according to the table you have to make connections. So I0 will connect to a bar, so we will connect this a bar to I0, I1 to logic 1. So in this way you have to make connections. Then for I2 you have to make to a only, so a is connected to I2. After that 0 you have to connect to I3. Then again logic 1 for I4, logic 1 for I5, and for I6 you have to focus on A, and for I7 also we will connect it to A. In this way you have to complete your realization part of 8:1 mux, considering the max terms and don't care conditions. Assume don't care conditions as logic 1 and proceed the problem. In this way you can solve the numericals based on multiplexers. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.